Much for all this contribution and for always being there for Pakistan. And I assure you that whatever we can do in our humble capacity, we will always be there for China and for our Chinese friends. Pakistan, Cheen, Dosti, Zindabad. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Take you back, as Mr. Mustafa rightly pointed out, that we've had a very close liaison with the International Department of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China. And this journey has been going on for almost 16 years now. So China is a second home to us, as Pakistan is a second home to you. I've been going to China as part of the exchanges and I've learned a lot. Today I stand here as a federal minister, but I can tell you that in my learning, in my growth, the exchanges that we've had with China have had a great role to play. And if I'm standing here, there's a great contribution of that exchange program with China, which has really, really helped me throughout my career. And, you know, from Beijing to Chengdu, from Jilin to Guangzhou, we've been all over China, and we've not only learnt a great deal, but we've learnt about the uniqueness of this friendship. When we say that this friendship is an all-weather friendship, when we say that it's time-tested, what does that mean? It essentially means that we've been there for each other in good times and bad times. As they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So, ups and downs of history, and throughout the different tenures, this is something which has remained constant, which has seen no change. In fact, we've seen this friendship grow stronger as time has passed by. And I, for one, am witness to how this friendship has transformed. And I always remember my mother telling me a story as a young schoolgirl when Chu and Lai visited Pakistan, and amongst other school children on the streets of Islamabad, she was there holding the Chinese flag and welcoming Mr. Chu and Lai to Pakistan. So this is something that we've grown up with. This is something that is part of our culture, our heritage. And as I see the contemporary times, we see that in recent times, our younger generation has also had a great deal of learning with regard to this friendship. So my gratitude to you, Mr. Yang, to the Chinese mission in Islamabad, to your great leadership, to His Excellency President Xi, to Premier Lee, who've been so considerate when it comes to Pakistan. And climate change is a global phenomenon. We've suffered the devastating consequences of climate change. Pakistan contributes less than 1% of carbon emissions globally. But when it comes to suffering the devastating consequences, we're in the top 10 countries who are suffering from climate change. So my heartfelt gratitude for helping us out in this time when we had devastating floods and our population was suffering in different parts of Pakistan, especially in Punjab.